Hi everyone, Rene with whyamIgreen.com, and today I'm outside here on my deck with two of my favorite plants, some of my Carolina Reapers, and I want to speak to you about a special company that I've been dealing with recently called PuckerButt, and you're gonna love these guys. Let me tell you about my dealings with the PuckerButt Company. Okay, I made two orders with the PuckerButt Company, and the first one was for the dried Smoking Ed's Carolina Reaper pack, 12 pack. Now remember, these people are the folks that bred, and I guess you call it bred, and created the Carolina Reaper. I wanted to get the originals because the ones I showed you in the intro are mine that I got generically. This time I'm going to do it right. So I ordered these, and I already got it in, so let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. I'm not going to handle them much because it's not something that you should really do without gloves. Came in a nice dark bag just to make sure the light doesn't get in there, and of course the packing slip. So packaging was great. And let me show you what we got. I had no idea what condition they'd come in. I actually expected to get a bunch of Carolina dust. But, oh, look at that. Well, there's a nice big one. So there's all the Reapers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many was I supposed to get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, okay. Phew. I knew I'd already looked at it, so 11, 12. Wow, look at that big guy. So they actually sent me all 12. Great condition. Have I tried one yet? Not yet. If one of you are interested, let me know. Maybe we'll do an online video of you taking a Reaper. So they came in great condition. So, and then I made another order. I was actually pleased. I got them in just a few days.
No, they're coming too fast.
Okay.
Don't touch the paper.
Don't touch the paper and don't touch my face afterwards. So I'm gonna take these at close. I'm not good at closing these. I want to make sure they stay nice and fresh. Now, the problem is when I first got these, what I really wanted to get in addition was I wanted to get the original. Let me see if I can scroll down on this a bit. The original Smoking Ed's Carolina Reaper seeds, the original seeds. And every time I tried to get a hold of them for the last couple of weeks, they were out of stock. So they sent me a beautiful letter when I got the dehydrated ones there, and thanking me and all this and that. If I can do anything for you, let me know. So I wrote back. I said, yeah, I want some seeds. When are they coming in? They wrote me right back and they said they're going to be in this afternoon. So I immediately ordered some seeds. As you see here, it's $7. It says right over there. And you can see right there. And $7 you get 12 seeds, and I'm a stickler for making sure I get what I'm supposed to get. But look how beautiful those are. And let me show you what I got. Okay, came again in nice packaging right here, and it's really thick, hard packaging. And inside is the packing slip, and there's the seeds. So let's see. Remember, I'm supposed to get 12 seeds. Did I get my 12 seeds? Let's see. Wow. Oh, there's another one in there. Let's see what we got, okay? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's my order. And we got also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 2 orders, so that's double what I ordered. Oh, wait, but there's more. I feel like a pitch man, but there's more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoa! So 12, 24, 36. And we got 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 seeds, folks. 41 seeds when I only ordered 12. So they get a thumbs up by me. These guys are awesome. The original seeds, I've been reading a lot of the comments, they've been germinating real well, and I am going to be planting them this afternoon. So enjoy your growing, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye now.